Hello, my name is Christoph Kieselbach from Schrack and Partner, and in the framework of the Interact Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I'm glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. Schrack and Partner is a company specialized in regulatory affairs and quality management systems for medical devices. So our training does not address the blockchain technology in itself, but addresses the regulatory requirements that apply if you want to place a medical device on the market in the European Union. And this might be a possible scenario if you are producing or programming software with blockchain technology that qualifies as a medical device. The second training we offer deals with the basics of risk management for medical devices. Risk management is a required activity that you need to perform to place a medical device on the European market. And the workshop will convey basics of risk management for medical devices and the procedures that are required for performing risk analysis in accordance with legal and standard requirements based on the EU Regulation 2017/745 and the EN ISO 14971 standard. We will talk about the legal requirements of risk management, the structure and the content of the EN ISO 14971 standard, the structure of the risk management file, how to prepare a risk management plan, how to address hazards and their assessment, how to perform risk analysis and mitigation activities, and how to document your activities in a risk management report. We will also talk about risk management during the product lifecycle and how to integrate your risk management activities into your quality management system. So if you are a SME having a product that qualifies as a medical device that you want to place on the European market, this training will tell you about the basics of the risk management activities that you need to perform to be able to do so.